bridge in New York is swaying in the strong winds and making some really scary noises.
Where's the ride gonna come to a stop?
The what?
Where's the ride gonna come to a stop?
Who needs a flashlight when someone has a reflective head like this one?
Ooh, I wonder how reflective it is.
That's very fucking reflective. Oh my god!
A school of striped eel catfish is moving in a mesmerizing pattern. This video is a demonstration of how rockets would look like if they were transparent. Happiness lies in doing your everyday tasks in a fun way sometimes. While doing a 360-degree turn in skydive, the person on the front passes out. An incredibly rare sight to witness in Australia. This might look like an alien thing at first sight, but it's an airplane that is going below another plane in the early morning. This cat is sleeping heavily, but his owner thinks that he's dead.
Cheetos. Cheetos? Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, are you alive? Cheetos. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, you
That's it for today, guys. I hope this video brightened up your day. Please like and share this video and don't forget to use the comment section. Bye-bye.